And I would request, whoever these people are who are going like this, drunk and all, please take action. This is not acceptable at all. If they're doing delay is a different issue. But going drunk is something that I don't expect. There's a time to drink and there's a time to work. But don't mix the two. When you're going to the people like this, I don't agree. If I get any complaint from the public about this, in the sense if I get names from them, I will take action. I want to tell you that. It is unacceptable completely and I will not allow this to happen. That's why I'm bimang ko na ako, bimang ko ang mande ko action lagi. Para sunki mandarangan chupiki bacin. Ang bimang ko na ko. Check a bit. Number 2 is CM connecting. You taking the number down? Please take the contact numbers down. Please take it seriously. This is a matter of life and death for people. It may sound very simple to you, sitting in Longstoy in sitting in Shillong, but it's life and death for them. So I'll be sending the team whatever support you require, but I don't want any kind of this behavior of sending drunk people and alcohol. It may sound funny, but this is serious matter.